Hello everyone and welcome to Blind Beauty. I'm Jennifer. What I'm going to do today is I'm going to show you what is in my makeup bag. Now, I'm actually putting stuff back in the bag for the most part, but this right here, it's got a little bit of fallout from eyeshadows. This is a Mary Kay bag that I've got here. Looks like that right there. You know, it's got a little flap where it's got some brush things you can put brushes in, and it has a detachable inner compartment here with Velcro. Pull that off to show you this other thing. Now I do have a few products, as you can see, in this little mesh area. Now we'll start off with them just for the sake of doing so. I have a e.l.f. eyeliner. This is in I believe it's coffee. I don't know for sure. It doesn't have the name on it, and it's, yeah. But it's one of their, like, $1 or $2 ones. Then this is an AOA Studio Liquid Metals lipstick. Unfortunately, I can't see the name of that. That 2206 is the number. Then I have the Maybelline Romantic Rose lipstick as well in here. And then, whoops, didn't mean to have that in there. I have the Wet n Wild H2O, I think, no, this isn't the H2O proof, it's just the Mega Liner here in the brown shade. And I also have a Maybelline Color Jolts, it's in the 05 shade. And then the LA Girl matte lipstick. It's the red looking one. I can't tell you what color it is, unfortunately, because I can't read it. But it's one of the red ones that they have. It doesn't look the best on me, but I figure, hey, oh well. And then, otherwise, eye product wise, I'm going to slowly put stuff back in here as I go. This is the CoverGirl Peacock Mascara. I used it on my lids today. Make sure you stay tuned, because if you want to see this look right here, I do have a tutorial coming up of it. Because I did a day to night look where I use most of the products that I'm, well, actually all the products that I'm mentioning here today, I used in a day look and then took it to a night look as well. So the only difference was the actual, well, actually there is no difference besides lipstick. And I'll show you that too, because I'll be putting it in here. This is the Rimmel ScandalEyez eyeliner. It's the black one. That's in here. Now this does bow out quite a bit, honestly. Then I have the Essence I Love Stage eye primer in here. Then, I mean, this is mainly my eye makeup. Now I do have a palette here that I'm going to be putting in with the regular face makeup, just because there's not a whole lot of room in the eye makeup area. You know, I don't even have a actual eyelash curler in here. So, and the brushes I've got that I'm going to have in here as well, I'll show you those real quick. But the brushes I've got here are some that I got off of Amazon a while back. And I'm trying them out to see what I think of them, see if they're any good. Really. It's these right here. I'll be having them in the kit as well. I like to have a kit downstairs where I can easily do makeup if I want to. And this right here is the palette that I used on my eyes today. It is the Wet n Wild Rose in the Air palette. Looks like that right there. That's going to be in the face area. That's in this little bag right here. So, but I'll show you what else is in here too. Now I've got different products in here for different reasons, really. That way if I want to do different things I can. And I'm also trying to use some things up. This right here is the L'Oreal Magic Skin Beautifier BB Cream for if I do want a lighter coverage look or a quick look. I have this. And then that goes along the same lines is the L'Oreal CC Under Eye Roller. I have that in here. Then I also have, I only have a couple more products in here right now. I've got more that I've got to add still. So, this is the e.l.f. CoverAll Concealer in medium. Believe it or not, this is a decent concealer. Then I do have a couple products in here that are not drugstore related. One is the Benefit Porefessional, or Pore something, by Benefit. It's a little sample tube. Then I also have the Hourglass Veil Primer. And I have the e.l.f. Hydrating Under Eye Primer, also in here. So, and then the other thing I have in here that I do use for foundation from time to time is my little Shop Miss A AOA Wonder Sponge. I have that in here. Then for regular makeup, I have my foundation Maybelline Fit Me in 220. That's one thing I use today. Then I have my NYX HD Concealer in here. Then for face makeup, like contour and whatnot, I've got my Rimmel, my Kate Sculpting palette that has, it's an 002, I believe, Coral Glow. Looks like that right there. The L'Oreal True Match powder in W4. It's also, well, pretty much all these products I have on my face right now. Looks like that. Then I also have in here, which, yes, this takes up quite a bit of room, but I also have the e.l.f. Mist and Set, the matte one. Have that in here. So, that's the main products in here, besides, like, the eye brushes and whatnot. And then the lipstick, which is what I have on right now, is the e.l.f. Day to Night Duo in the Best Berries. Now, I'll be putting that in the eye area of this, just because, you know, I pretty much have eyes and lips together. So, and then I also have on my lips right now, and I don't have this typically in the bag. This is the AOA Diamond Shine lip stuff. So, put that back over here. And then, I just realized I don't have a brow product right here. I actually dropped my brow product, forgot about that. This is the AOA Sculpting Brow Pencil. It's what I have in my brows right now. So, that right there. I thought I had put it up in a drawer, but then I realized, oh yeah, it fell. So, that's mainly it in this bag. Put the middle part back on and kind of flatten it back out a little bit. But this is a neat little bag for holding most of your stuff that you need to for a day-to-day look. So, if you need a bag or whatever, check Shop Miss A. Or not Shop Miss A, Mary Kay, rather. Not Shop Miss A. Yeah. But, and I'll show you the brushes all laid out here as soon as I can get them in here. I believe that I had to, whenever I did this before, I had to kind of put some of the brushes in another pocket because there just wasn't enough holes, honestly, for all my brushes. So, I know things like this are not meant to hold a lot of stuff. But this right here is what I use for foundation sometimes lately. And I tend to put that in the middle compartment as well as this brush here. that I use to blend out my concealer. It's a flat foundation brush. For some reason, I've been loving that to do concealer. You know, blend out my concealer. And then I've got all the rest of these brushes already put in here. So, I'm going to hold this side up. But that right there is all the brushes in there. You know, actually I did have a couple extra holes here. I didn't have to scrunch them up as close as I thought. But, you know, there we go. But, really and truly, this is a great little bag for keeping things together, all in one place, you know, to where you can grab whatever you need at the time you need it. There's all the brushes, and that flap closed down just to keep them clean. And then you close it up, like so, hold it, and it's got this little bungee cord type thing that you pull through the handle and just put it around the button. And there you go. So that right there is what's in my makeup bag. So, thank you so much for watching this video, and I do hope that you do hit that subscribe button so that you can see me do this look right here, as well as the daytime version of it, you know, with the products that I showed you in this bag. So if you want to see some of those products at work, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. And let me know, what are some of the must-haves that you need in your makeup bag? Because this is my day-to-day makeup bag. Would you like to see, which I'm thinking of doing this, would you like to see, like, what's in my makeup, my daily makeup drawer? Because this is, like, my go-to for whenever I'm in a hurry, or I have back pain, or something like that, that I don't want to climb the stairs. I can go to this bag and put on makeup. So, but would you like to see what I have in my everyday makeup drawer? Like, for what I'm going to be using to put on makeup before videos, or before I go out somewhere, or whatever. Let me know in the comments down below if you would like to see that. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you soon. Have a great day. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please take a moment and give it a thumbs up. If you aren't subscribed, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell to be notified every time I upload a video. You can also follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Facebook at BlindBeauty83, and on Twitter I'm BlindBeautyJen. Check the box below for more information, top videos, and my links. Have a great day.